Hey, this is Josh back with today's Front End 5, where I break down a front end concept in 5 minutes or less. Today we're going to be looking at making text bold and italicized or using the strong and EM tags within HTML. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to make the lorem ipsum inside this paragraph bold using the strong tag. I'm going to make the dolor sitamet text emphasized or italicized using the EM tag. So let me go ahead and put those in there, and then we'll talk about how these work, why these work, and some other things you might not know about these two very simple tags. Okay, so I've put my bold, I've made lorem ipsum bold by putting the strong tag in there, and I've made dolor sitamet italicized by putting the EM tag there. What if we want text to be both bolded and italicized? We can actually nest these inside each other. So I can put an EM tag inside my strong tag or the other way around. Because these are inline tags, you can put them inside each other however you want. Now, another thing that you might not know about these two tags, they're very similar, is that they're both inline tags. And what that means is that they don't start a new line whenever you use one of these tags. So if I had a strong tag up here, and inside that strong tag I put my bolded text, for example, and then I had an EM tag below it, one might expect this to be on a new line, but as you can see here, my italicized text, it's on the same line. These are inline tags, which means they're not going to start new lines, and they're not going to take up the whole line, which is different than like a paragraph tag. Now, you can't nest paragraph tags inside inline, or you can't nest block level tags like paragraph inside an inline level tag like a strong or EM. So they're made to be used inside of block level tags, but they can be nested inside each other like I'd already demonstrated. Now, someone might ask, why are these named strong and EM instead of like bold and italics? And it's because in HTML, HTML is supposed to be semantic. And what that means is it's supposed to provide meaning to the document without necessarily providing style. So we'll use CSS for style. We use HTML to provide structure and meaning. And to demonstrate that, let me show you what happens if I just go ahead and with my strong tags here, and I put a style tag, and I say all my strong tags are font weight 300, which is light. You can see it changes it back from my bold that I had to a lightweight. So we can use CSS to style these however we want. What we're basically saying with our strong tag is that this is strong text, right? Like it's emphasized beyond. It might be someone yelling or something like that. And same thing with EM. You're using it to say this is emphasized text, but it can be styled differently than that with CSS, and that's perfectly fine. There actually is a B tag. So for bold, there actually is a B tag. Don't recommend you use it. It's been deprecated, so it will do the same thing as a strong tag. And the same thing is true. There's also an I tag for italics. Once again, it's been deprecated. We don't use it anymore, but those tags do exist. That's what they used to use for bold and italics. So I hope that helps you understand the strong and EM tags a little bit more. If this is helpful for you, be sure to like this video. And if you want more videos like this, you're learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you want a little bit of learning in your day, every single day, you can subscribe to this video series, and I will break down more front-end concepts in 5 minutes or less. I'll see you in the next video.